When fitting hinges to furniture that doesn't already have drill holes, it is recommended to use our small blue drilling template. Begin by marking the positions for drilling the holes in the carcass for the mounting plate. Now turn the template over and lay the door, flush with carcass, onto the template. Now mark the center point for the cup holes on the door. We also have a template for the furniture handles that you can use for marking the holes for various standard hole spacings. Now screw the mounting plate to the inside of the carcass and press the hinge cups into the cup holes in the door. Now you can attach the door to the carcass, the easiest way being with our clip-on hinges. But how many hinges do you need in which size? As a rule of thumb, you can say, use small hinges with 26mm cups for doors in widths up to 400mm and hinges with 35mm cups for wider doors. Door height determines the number of hinges per door.